This is Module 2, Platforms and Tools. Class 10, DoW AI Infrastructure, Palantir Ecosystem. The Department of War provides multiple AI platforms, and choosing the wrong one guarantees operational failure. Maven Smart System and Army Vantage both carry the Palantir name, but they solve fundamentally different problems for different users with different missions. This class distinguishes between mission-specific platforms within the Palantir family, explains Maven's automation capabilities for intelligence workflows, clarifies Vantage's integration with Army business systems, and provides a platform selection framework based on operational requirements. By the end, you will select the correct platform for your specific mission requirements and understand how to supplement with GenAI.mil and Ask Sage when appropriate. I'm Dr. Justin Webb. 4 objectives for today. First, distinguish between Maven Smart System for intelligence and ISR tasks versus Army Vantage for enterprise data tasks based on mission requirements. Second, understand Maven's automation capabilities, including video analysis, multi-INT fusion, and targeting operations for intelligence workflows. Third, understand Vantage's integration with Army business systems like IPPS-A and GCSS-Army for personnel, logistics, and readiness management. Fourth, compare Maven and Vantage with other DoW AI platforms, including GenAI.mil and Ask Sage, to select appropriate tools for specific operational tasks. What keeps staff officers confused? They hear Maven and assume it's one system. It's not. Palantir has 5 distinct products: Gotham, Foundry, Maven Smart System, Army Vantage, and AIP, the Artificial Intelligence Platform. But here's what matters operationally. Most Army users interact with only 2 platforms: Maven Smart System for intelligence work and Army Vantage for staff operations. Gotham and Foundry serve as invisible infrastructure layers. Users don't directly access these base platforms. They're back-end systems powering the tools you actually use. AIP functions as an AI integration layer, adding large language model capabilities across all platforms. Pay attention to this. 5 total products in the Palantir family, but only 2 platforms most Army users actually interact with. This distinction prevents training failures. Gotham, base infrastructure powering Maven Smart System. It's optimized for intelligence operations and classified data handling. Foundry, base infrastructure powering Army Vantage. It's designed for enterprise data integration and business analytics. The critical point: users never log into Gotham or Foundry directly. These operate as back-end systems. Training and documentation should focus on mission-specific platforms, Maven or Vantage, not the underlying infrastructure. Seeking Gotham training when you need Maven skills wastes time and causes confusion. Let's examine Maven's actual deployment. Built on Gotham infrastructure specifically for intelligence analysts conducting ISR operations. Deployed at brigade level and above for tactical to operational intelligence support. Primary mission: automate intelligence workflows, video analysis, targeting, multi-INT fusion. Maven enables intelligence professionals to process and analyze ISR data at scale with AI-assisted automation. The system handles tasks that would overwhelm human analysts working manually. Video analysis is where Maven saves the most time. Automated object detection and tracking in full-motion video from ISR platforms. Pattern of life analysis identifying routine behaviors and anomalies in surveillance footage. Maven accelerates analyst review time by pre-flagging items of interest in hours of video. Instead of analysts watching every frame, Maven surfaces the critical moments requiring human judgment. Integrates with existing ISR collection systems for seamless video ingestion and processing. The system fits into workflows analysts already use. Multi-INT fusion is Maven's strategic capability. The system combines SIGINT, GeoINT, HUMINT, and other intelligence disciplines into a unified operational picture. Correlation of disparate intelligence sources identifies patterns invisible in single source analysis. Targeting support. Maven generates target packages with corroborated intelligence from multiple collection sources. This enables intelligence analysts to build comprehensive targeting folders with automated cross-referencing. What took days of manual correlation now happens in hours. Now shift to a completely different user and mission. Army Vantage is built on Foundry infrastructure for staff officers and G1 personnel, G4 logistics, and G8 financial management roles. Mission: integrate data from legacy Army business systems into a unified analytical environment. Vantage connects siloed databases that previously required separate logins. IPPS-A for personnel, GCSS-Army for logistics, systems that don't talk to each other naturally. Vantage enables staff officers to perform cross-functional analysis, combining personnel, logistics, and readiness data in ways impossible before. The integration specifics matter for understanding capability. IPPS-A integration. Vantage pulls personnel data, including assignments, qualifications, training records, and personnel readiness metrics. GCSS-Army integration. The system accesses logistics data, including equipment status, maintenance records, and supply chain information. This eliminates the need for staff officers to log into multiple disconnected systems to gather readiness data. One interface, all the data. Correlation analysis becomes possible. Identify units with both personnel shortfalls and equipment maintenance backlogs. The pattern is invisible when systems don't talk. Mission requirements drive platform choice, not user preference, not availability, mission. Choose Maven Smart System for intelligence analysis, ISR operations, video processing, targeting, and multi-INT fusion tasks. Choose Army Vantage for personnel management, logistics planning, readiness reporting, and enterprise resource analysis. Brigade intelligence analysts use Maven. Brigade staff officers in G1, G4, or G8 use Vantage. Different users, different platforms, different missions. Attempting to use Maven for logistics data or Vantage for ISR analysis will result in failure. Platforms are purpose-built for specific missions. GenAI.mil serves a different function entirely. It's general-purpose conversational AI for document drafting, research, and knowledge synthesis across DoW. GenAI.mil lacks specialized ISR automation, Maven strength, and enterprise system integration, Vantage's strength. The critical limitation: Maven and Vantage access live operational and enterprise databases. GenAI.mil does not connect to these data sources. Ask Sage fills another distinct role: document-centric AI for querying doctrine, regulations, and policy repositories. Ask Sage excels at answering questions from document collections. Maven provides live ISR data analysis. Vantage provides live enterprise data. Ask Sage provides document knowledge retrieval. 3 different tools, 3 different purposes. Training alignment prevents wasted effort. Intelligence analysts at Brigade and above seek Maven Smart System training focused on video analysis and multi-INT fusion workflows. Staff officers in G1, G4, or G8 roles seek Army Vantage training focused on enterprise data integration and readiness analysis. Avoid generic Palantir training. Specify Maven or Vantage to match your operational requirements. Training on Gotham or Foundry infrastructure is unnecessary. Focus on user-facing platform training for your mission. AIP, the artificial intelligence platform, adds capabilities without creating new interfaces. It adds large language model capabilities to both Maven and Vantage, enables natural language queries against operational data within Maven and enterprise data within Vantage. AIP is not a separate platform users access. It functions as an enhancement layer within Maven, and Vantage interfaces. This allows conversational interaction with specialized data sources while maintaining platform-specific mission focus. The bottom line on platform selection: Palantir is not monolithic, 5 products total, but Army users primarily interact with 2 mission-specific platforms. Maven Smart System serves intelligence and ISR missions at brigade and above. Army Vantage serves enterprise data missions for staff officers. Platform selection must align with mission requirements. Intelligence work requires Maven. Enterprise data work requires Vantage. Supplement with GenAI.mil for general AI assistance and Ask Sage for doctrinal questions. But use Maven or Vantage for operational and enterprise data. Final takeaway for operational leaders: effective use of Palantir ecosystem requires understanding that Maven and Vantage solve fundamentally different problems. Intelligence analysts need Maven for ISR automation. Staff officers need Vantage for enterprise integration. Both are valid, mission-dependent choices. Treating Palantir as a single monolithic solution leads to misapplication and operational failure. Success requires matching your specific mission requirements to the purpose-built capabilities of Maven or Vantage. Don't wait for the next class to keep learning. Find more content on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn. Full course below.